Hi everyone, this is Laudiaann and today is Tuesday. It's the time is 4:24 a.m. July the 7th, 2020, and I wanted to share with you guys because what I did, I redone all my thumbnails. Right here is my old thumbnails, and then I'm going to share with you right now my new thumbnails. I redid everything. The reason why I redid everything is because, see these titles, they're too little. So if anyone would look at it on their phone, it would be too hard to read. And not only that, I made it so colorful that I figure it's still hard to see because they're not synced and every picture is different. And if you look at it on your phone, it's really hard to actually recognize what they are. Okay, so what I did, this is my new redone thumbnails, and I'm going to scroll down. And what I did is I sectioned everyone with a different with a title. I sectioned it with playlists. This is where all my weekly training videos are. This is what I talk about, what the affiliate program I'm involved in, Power Lead System, can do for you. So I sectioned all my videos, how to do Facebook, about my lifestyle and family motivation. This section is all about me. And then here I made a section on fresh daily leads. So I'm going to be posting different kinds of daily leads. And then this section is about my offline business, my craft business, and how to do YouTube. It's my last playlist section. So if you click on here, you'll be able to see all my fresh new thumbnails that I have created. And you can see they look better looking. You can see it better, and not only that, it can help you focus on the pictures. They're not like multiple colors like I was sharing with you guys earlier. So this is I really like it, so I hope you guys like it too.